Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and first of all, let us switch the place. I was previously living in a PG and currently I moved into a flat. So yeah, that's how the place got changed, and I wanted to make a cool transition out of it because content. And then, so in this video, I'll be talking about how to take subjective decisions objectively, and this is a method already not devised by me, obviously. So this is I've already recommended this book called The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. Great guy. He has written some other books as well. I've got to read it. And yeah, so this is something called the weighted average decision matrix, in which you weigh in the factors what is important to you and rate it accordingly on the decision you have, and then you come up with a final number, and then based on whatever is high, you take the decision. So I'll give you a short example out of it. Like suppose you are currently living somewhere and you want to move to Detroit or Phoenix. You have an option to move to Detroit or Phoenix. So you will consider several factors like whether schools for your kids, cost of living, business climate, then nearness, proximity to your family. So all these factors, and you would give them a factor based on your importance. Like suppose nearness to families like sort of important to you, you give it a 7. Weather would be a 10 to you because you like weather, so that would be a 10. Schools is not as important, so you would put it as 3. Like these are the factors that will be given to each of the metrics, right? So you assign numbers to them. Then you make a 2 column. One would be Detroit, the other would be Phoenix. Right. So for Detroit, suppose the weather is not very good, you'll put it as 2. Then for Phoenix, it's very good, you'll put it as 8. It's not necessary the sum to be 10, but yes, you can put in. Basically, this is a relative comparison. So when you multiply and sum up, it won't matter. So like this is how you do it. Whether you did. Now you have the schools. For schools, the schools in Phoenix are way better than Detroit. So you gave 3 to Phoenix and 2 to Detroit. That is how you did. Now you have given ratings to all of them. Now what you will do is multiply the factors with the ratings you have given in each of the cities, the Detroit and Phoenix, and then you will multiply it and add it all. So when you finally add it all, then you will get a number, 2 numbers associated with each of the decisions that you wanted to make. So for Detroit, the number is higher, so you will definitely go in that because it is marking, like competing all your factors and all your needs, and it is personal choice because it's subjective to you. For suppose you have given that rating, if I would have done it, I would have given a different rating. So that is how you take this subjective decision objectively. I think this is a very good method. Like when you are confused with some business decisions or maybe some personal decisions, it would definitely help you out, and it could really save your time and give you perspective on the different point of views. So I think that's everything I wanted to talk about, and I hope this video was helpful to you. And so that's all I want to talk about. I hope you like my new setup. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Thank you.